So the video I did the other day about the rescuing the Chevy on the side of the road, how to start a Chevy or whatever, it was because of this vehicle. He's been having some trouble starting it for a while, and what's going on is he can hook jumper cables up to another vehicle and it'll start fine. Doesn't run the best, low power, only runs about 3,000 or so. Won't go over that. Can't pass on the highway because won't get up to speed very good, whatnot. So my first diagnosis on it is it would start fine with starting fluid, then run after. And then when I got it home, I checked fuel pressures. I was getting about 55 pounds or so fuel pressure. And when you pinch the return line off, you're supposed to get over 70. It was not really getting any extra. Took down the tank, and I don't know if I did it when I was pulling down the tank or what, but the ground was broke. Fixed that, didn't make any change. So ended up getting a different fuel pump and put that in. Still was running about 55 pounds at an idle fuel pressure, but it's been starting. Pinch the return fuel line off on it now, and it went up to 100 psi. So I've let it sit outside for a few days, and it's been starting every time I've tried it with no assistance. And this is I guess this kind of, maybe it's other models, but from what I read, 96, 97, 57 vortex, maybe some other engine models too. But they're running the spider fuel injection inside the intake manifold. This still has the OEM spider in it, 200 some thousand I believe on it. There's a updated version where it has like more standard style fuel injectors in it that probably do a better job. But we tried the fuel pump, and that seems to have taken care of it. So as you can see, the snow falling off, I have not opened this up today yet. And it says it's got 230, almost 34,000 on it. You can actually hear the fuel pump now. You could hear it whine a little bit before, but not like you're supposed to. It was pretty faint. So starts right up. Yeah, I wish I would have did a video before. Like when you'd rev it up or try driving it, you get above about 3,000 and it would spit and sputter. And I actually hooked up the scan tool to it, and the O2 sensors were going full lean. You could hold it wide open and it just kind of bog. Fuel pressure was real, it wasn't going up any higher than 55. Just couldn't keep up. So after changing the fuel pump, there's no issues with that. It revs up real nice. I'll let it warm up here for a little while because it's negative 10 degrees. So let it warm up a little bit and then I'll rev it up. So I've been warming it up for a while. No problems with it anymore.